there, it's Beauty Junkay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm getting into Chantecaille. They recently had their 25% off Sylvie sale and I picked up a few things, but mostly skincare. Only one makeup product this year. In past years, I've done like huge hauls, spending lots of money, trying out all the different types of makeup from this brand because it is one of my favorite makeup brands. There's a lot of classics from this brand that I continuously use to this day. But I want to share what I picked up this time. This sale happens every year. It happens, I think, the week around Sylvie's birthday. And what happens is there'll be like a pre-sale, and if you follow certain subscribers on YouTube, you can get like a code to participate in the sale early. That's when things start selling out. I actually was planning to pick up their Click Pen concealer because I've never tried it. I had it in my cart, I purchased it, completed the purchase. They emailed me that day saying actually it's out of stock. So they refunded me the money, but I still haven't tried that concealer because I feel like it's one of the first things that goes with this sale every year because 25% off is a huge discount, and I heard it's a good concealer, but unfortunately I can't try it. I mean, I could, but I don't want to pay full price. I usually do wait to purchase Chantecaille until the sale because this is a high-end expensive brand, and yes, some of the makeup is worth it, but if you can get 25% off, why not? I will say I have been disappointed with the sale since they have started excluding philanthropic products, which include some of the lipsticks, the eyeshadows, the blushes that are give part of the proceeds to a charity, which is great, but you cannot get a discount on it. But it's like that's a huge portion of Chantecaille's products, so it's a bit disappointing that you can't get a discount on that, but I get it. I understand why. It's just like, I want to try some more stuff. But this year, you know, because I have tried so many categories from this brand in the makeup world, I decided to focus on skincare this year and just pick up a refill of my powder that I love. And I'll talk about that. But overall, I would say Chantecaille's products they don't come out with a lot of new stuff. They're one of those few brands that's not constantly churning out new products. They have a few releases every year, but they're not huge. They're not like a full-on collection. Like their summer collection, I think, was 2 products. What they came out this year, I wasn't like super interested in. They did come out with a tinted like skincare product, which I thought was unique, but for me, I'm like, I don't know if that's really gonna work for me, so I didn't pick it up. You know, you really have to weigh the pros and cons with Chantecaille because of the expense. Are you really gonna use it? Are you really gonna love it and like it? That's what I take. That's my approach after trying so many things. Like, do you really want this, or are you just trying stuff? But anyways, let's get into what I picked up. Hopefully this will be helpful to you if you run into this video in the next sale. I believe they might have some other good sales probably around Black Friday that are, you know, worth checking out. But let's get into what I picked up. First of all, the biggest thing I picked up is this mask. So this is the box packaging. This is the Jasmine and Lily healing mask. A lot of people have raved about this, and I got this one because it's perfect for me because it soothes like irritated skin, deals with redness, all of that good stuff. So I wanted to try this out. This is 50 mils, 1.7 ounces. Pricey product, of course. This is a blend of Jasmine and Lily. It's incredibly soothing for dehydrated skin. Vitamin B5 and chamomile are soothing and softening. Red seaweed extracts helps moisturize. This lasts 12 months. I'm gonna have to put this on my skin like multiple times a week and remember to do that because sometimes when I buy masks, I'm like, oh, I use them once a week, and sometimes I forget. So like I very slowly go through them. But something like this that is not an exfoliant, non-irritating, will probably help out my skin multiple times a week. This guy, it smells like nothing pretty much, but you can instantly feel a cooling sensation on the skin. I tried it out this past week Here's the texture here. It is lovely. It is one of those masks that you can honestly forget is on your skin because it kind of disappears. Like if it was just pure white and the clay mask, you would remember to rinse it off, but you're actually only supposed to leave this on 5 minutes. It's not like a overnight mask or anything like that, or a 20-minute mask. It is just for 5 minutes, and that's probably all you need. I think I left it on probably half an hour, but it says this luxurious cooling mask infused with a delicious blend of the purest jasmine and lily are incredibly skin softening. Vitamin B5 and bisabolol are rich in moisturizing and soothing components. Saccharide, hyaluronic acid, red algae help moisturize. Yep, you rinse it off after 5 minutes, but it does really give a very noticeable cooling sensation, which I love. I feel like I get what I need out of it because it does that. Like it just really calms things down, which I am prone to needing. So love that. I believe some of their masks, they have smaller sizes. I'm not sure about this one, but if you can get in a smaller size, I would just try it out, see if you like it. I want to quickly mention a mask I already purchased previously. This is the BioLifting mask. This is another one. You can feel the results right away. You can feel the firming on your face. So I feel like it actually does something. I haven't used a huge amount because you don't need a lot, but also it's not something I'm going to use multiple times a week. You could, but I just forget to use it because it's not my like daily go-to nighttime moisturizer. But this is one I do leave on overnight. I don't think you're supposed to, but it's another one of those that just sinks and disappears into the skin and you don't know what's there. I also picked up a new eye cream. This is the Stress Repair Concentrate Plus, and it comes with this amazing little silver spatula spoon here. This, you can see the packaging is much smaller. This is 15 milliliters, 0.5 fluid ounces. That's very typical size for an eye cream. You don't need a lot. You're not going to go through this that quickly, and I actually haven't opened this yet. I am waiting to finish my eye cream before my eye cream that I have open from Biologique Recherche. Once I finish that, I will open this guy up just because, you know, I don't want to open it too early, but you would use the spoon to dig out the eye cream, and because this is metal, I'm sure it acts as a kind of a depuffing. You put it in the fridge and just kind of cool things down around the eye area. I assume that's why they give that one to you. Do you like that? Let me read the details here. Oh, and I got a little mini of it, so that's awesome. So this is a highly innovative eye cream infused with anti-aging botanicals. Wild indigo is a stress-relieving extract which enhances luminosity, while hawthorn and Arabian jasmine extracts work to improve the appearance of dark circles. The newest refining lipopeptide and hexapeptide that softens the look of wrinkles combined with caffeine leave the eye area looking visibly less lined, lifted, and depuffed. Gently smooth over their eye and lip contour morning and night. Those are the details. So I'm gonna maybe open this little one. Won't feel as bad. This will definitely be good for travel. This one has a seal too. Shoot, I do wanna, I'll just open the bigger one because that will be my next to open anyway. Ugh. I do want to show you the texture, so I don't mind opening it up a little bit early. I probably will finish my other cream soon enough, in the next few weeks or so, but I'll just use what's on the lid here. All right, so here's the texture close up. Ooh, that does feel rich, but not like so rich that I'm not gonna like it. But I definitely like a richer cream. Doesn't smell like anything. It does feel like it has maybe a little bit of something really hydrating, maybe like an oil or just kind of a souped up creamy cream. Here's what it looks like. Try to put a little bit more on. Oh yeah, that feels like it's gonna do something. That feels good. I'm glad I picked this up. I do like the texture of it, especially I think it will be good for nighttime. something a little bit richer. Of course, I'm gonna have to update you on all these skincare products, let you know how I think it's working, how I'm liking it as I use it up. But those are the major skincare products that I picked up, which is the healing mask and the eye cream. These were, of course, lots of money. These are expensive. So that's mostly where my money went. I did get, as I said, the powder refill. So I already have this Perfect Blur finishing powder in the shade light medium, but I've hit pan pretty good on the one I have, and I'm sure it's expired. It's several years old. Here's my hummingbird version of this powder here. This is what it looks like new, very nice and pretty, and all that detailing there. Has a beautiful mirror. This one is much more exciting packaging. They do have limited edition packaging of this, but I just got the plain one, and this is how much I've used this. This is how much pan I've hit. So I'm still using this guy. I'm gonna use it till the very end, but I was like, no, might as well get a new one of this at 25% off. But it's pretty much the same powder, baked gelée, really nice smoothing effect with this guy that I love. So picked up a new one of those. Let's talk about the free gift I got. So I got this very neon summery bag with my order. I guess because I spent enough. I'm not sure why I got this, but I'm very appreciative. It was super helpful for travel and just taking things from one area to another. I mean, I always love a bag. And I got some really great travel size skincare. I got this set of 3, which is super helpful. As I said, I got a smaller size of the eye cream, which would be great for travel, so I don't have to carry this size around. And I'm sure this will last me a long time. And I'm always looking for a good travel eye cream. I feel like when I travel, I need my eyes to look a little bit more pep, awake. This little guy is a little mini toner. It's a purifying, exfoliating, photoactive solution. I've actually never tried this product, so I'm not sure how my skin would react given it has, active ingredients in here. I don't know too much about it, but it just looks like an exfoliating toner to me. It says apply to clean, dry skin with cotton pad, follow with a serum, cream, or mask of choice. I don't know if any of you guys have tried this photoactive solution. Let me know. Do you guys like it? Does it irritate your skin? Is it gentle? I don't exfoliate too much when I travel, but if you go on a longer trip, like I do need to kind of deal with congestion, I need to do it, once or twice a week, because if I stop completely, my skin is not happy. So this would be good, just to throw in the bag, even if you only use it once, to kind of just keep up with your kind of normal skin routine. I did get a new mask, and this is the hibiscus smoothing mask, and I think this one has some active ingredients and might be exfoliating. I haven't tried it yet just because I'm a little bit nervous to throw on an exfoliating mask just cold turkey without knowing how strong it is and not researching it. This one you only leave on from 3 to 10 minutes, and I think what I read online is this it's kind of a clarifying type of mask with exfoliating ingredients in here. If you guys have tried the hibiscus smoothing mask, let me know what you think. Is it good? Should I not be scared to try it? Let me know in the comments below. But those were the little freebies I got, which was pretty great from a brand like this to get this stuff. I'm all about the free goodies and trying little samples. That is what I live for. Okay, so that's what I picked up. That's what I got in my order. As I said, I did try to get the concealer, but it was sold out in my shade, so that will be that. I did want to mention a couple products in case you guys were wondering, like, well, what else do I like from the brand? What else should you pick up? I have done several like full face Chantecaille videos and Chantecaille recommendation videos in the past that you can of course search for on my channel. But I will say I've stepped back a little bit from using lots of Chantecaille just because, as I said, they don't come out with a lot of new stuff or new shades. It's kind of odd, and the eyeshadow quads that they come out with do not really excite me. Like the little tiny four pan quads that they come out with, they're okay. They look, some of them look pretty, but I'm just like, I'm not gonna go out and purchase it just to review it for you guys if I'm not excited about it. So I haven't really picked up any of those eyeshadow quads, but those are the kind of releases that are new, that do come out, and they're usually philanthropic, so I can't get them on sale. I'm sorry, you guys, but I'm not making any money on this channel, so I gotta think about that stuff. So I just, you know, I like the makeup that I like from the Signature collection, and one thing I cannot recommend enough is the Future Skin Gel Foundation. I have the shade Alabaster, and this is the foundation I took on vacation and the only foundation I took, and it was awesome. This wears well in the summer. If you're sweating, you don't look cakey or funny or terrible, and you're not going to get comments if you wear this and you sweat. There's some makeup that just doesn't do well in the elements, but this foundation just adapts to your skin. Now, it doesn't have tons of coverage, but it does help out your skin a lot, and it just melts into the skin. Even with the fingertips, you don't need any special tools. You don't need any tools at all, in my opinion. That's a rare foundation to find, that you can apply this with your fingers and it looks good. So that's what I like about this guy. It's one of those magic foundations that you need to try. Even it's worth even the full price. Bronzer, this is one of my favorite bronzers. It's really dark though. Just a warning, you want to use a light hand if you look like me. This is the Real Bronze in Goa. You guys can see I've hit pan. I've had this for a long time. I thought about like getting a new one, but I mean, I'm still using this, and do I really need a repeat bronzer? I probably should buy a new bronzer from a new brand to try out and fall in love with, but I do like this classic formula. It's a baked gelée bronzer formula, and it's dark, but I think it looks pretty even on my skin. Just don't want to overdo it, but I do like this bronzer quite a bit. And you know, I have tried numerous other products from the brand. I do have the expensive mascara that I'm using right now. I think this is like the Longest Lash or something like that, and it has like, you know, it's supposed to lengthen your lashes. I think this mascara is quite overrated, and I think the brush is nothing special. You can get this kind of brush at the drugstore. I do find it's not overly harsh on my lashes. It does kind of feel gentle on the lashes. It doesn't feel like it's bad for them or I'm ripping them out to take off the mascara, but I don't think it's really lengthening them either. But some people rave about this. I just don't get it. Even so, I'd rather buy like a lash lengthening serum and a cheap mascara, and it'd probably be cheaper than this. So not worth it to me. Their lip products, I think they're just okay. But you know, it's all up to you. I do recommend trying something from the brand that appeals to you, because I do think it's a brand that's gotten more attention, probably because of YouTube, but it's still not as popular probably as it should be. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you like from this brand, what you want me to try in the comments below. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.